Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 4.3, question number 1, 2. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral PLAN, PL 4 cm, LA 6.5 cm, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, angle AN is 85 degree. Right? Here we have make a rough sketch of this quadrilateral. Here you see that is PL is 4 cm, right? LA 6.5 cm, angle P is 90 degree, angle A is 110 degree, and angle N is 85 degree. But we don't know this angle, angle L. We have to find out this angle. We know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We have to find this angle first. This angle L. What is the angle L? Right? We know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Right? Therefore, we find the value of this angle L. We have to find the value of angle L. Angle L is equal to angle L is equal to 360 degree minus this angle plus this angle plus this angle, that is 90 degree plus 110 degree plus 85 degree plus 85 degree. Right? Therefore, we are getting 360 degree minus 110 plus 90, 200, that is 285 degree. 285 degree. You subtract this one, you'll get the value of angle, this one, angle L, that is 360 degree minus 285 minus 285 degree. That is we are getting 5. Carry 1, it was 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Carry 1 to the 75 degree. This is 75 degree. 75 degree. Therefore, we are getting the value of L as 75 degree. 75 degree. Right? Now we'll draw this quadrilateral. Right? Let us draw this quadrilateral. First of all, draw an arc. Draw a line ALA 6.5 centimeter. Right? Let us for that take a ruler. With the help of the ruler, take LA as 6.5 centimeter. This is LA. We'll take 6.5 centimeter. Here you see, we are taking 6.5. This is exactly 6.5 centimeter, and the name of this point is L and A. This is L point, and this is A point. Right? At point L, make an angle of 75 degree. Right? With the help of protractor, we will make an angle of 75 degree at point L. Take the protractor. Here we are taking the protractor here, and with the help of this protractor, we will make an angle of 75 degree. Here you see, we are making an angle of 75 degree. Right? You see, 75 degrees here, 20, 40, 60. 60, this is 70, this is 75. Here you see, this is 75. Right? Now, we'll draw an angle of 75 degree at the point L with the help of this ruler. Right? Let us draw this line. Let us draw this line of 75 degree here. Yes, right. This is an angle of 75 degree at point L. Let us draw this angle. Right. You see, this angle is at the point L. We are taking 75 degree here. This angle is 75 degree. This is 75 degree. 75 degree, right? And at the point A, you have to make an angle of 110 degree. At the point A, let us take again the protector to make an angle of 110 degree. Let us take the protector again, and with the help of this protector, we will make an angle of 110 degree. Make an angle of 110 degree, that is 90, 100, 105, 110. Here, this point, that is this point is 110 degree, 100, 105, 110. This is 110 degree. With the help of this ruler, we'll do an angle of 110 degree here, right? Let us make an angle of 110 degree at this point, at point A. Right? This is an angle of 110 degree. Right? Make the angle of 110 degree here at point A. Right? You see, this is an angle at point A, and that is 110 degree. Here, this is 110 degree. 110 degree, right? And LA is 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Have to find the point P. From L, make an arc of 4 centimeter. From 4 centimeter with the help of this ruler. Now take the protector. Now take the protector. Here we are taking the compass. With the help of this compass, we will make an arc of 4 centimeter, right? Make an arc of 4 centimeter. Take this pointer at 0. Take this pointer at 0. This is exactly 0. And make an arc of 4 centimeter. That is 3, and this is 4.1. This is 4, right? This arc is 4 centimeter, right? Now, taking this pointer at point A, make an angle of arc of 4 centimeter from L. Take this point at the point L to find the point P. You see, this is the point L. This is the point L. Now make an angle arc of 4 centimeter here. Where you see, this point is L, and make an arc of 4 centimeter to find P. See this one, and this point we got. This point is P point. This point is P point. Here you see, this is point P. Right? LP is PL or LP. PL is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Right? And from A, you have to make an arc of 6.55 centimeter to get the point A. Right? Let us draw this. Let us take 6.5 centimeter arc with the help of a compass. With the help of the compass again. This is our compass. And we take this compass at 0 point, at point 0, and make an arc of 6.5 centimeter. Make an arc of 6.5. Here you see, we are making an arc of taking 6.5 centimeter. Here you see, this is exactly 6.5, right? Now with this help, LA we have already taken 6.5 centimeter, right? Now make an angle at the point P, that is 90 degree, right? That is 90 degree. Let us make an angle at point P with the help of this protector, right? Take a protector again. Here you are taking this protector, and with the help of this protector we will make an angle of 90 degree at point P, right? Let us move this one in this way, and with the help of protector make an angle of 90 degree, right? Let's see, take this point, right? Now you see, this is 90 degree. We are taking this pointer 90 degree, that is we are taking 90 degree here, that is this point is 90, right? This point is 90. Now this one is 90 degree. Now we are taking 90 degree here, right? Now with the help of the ruler make an angle of 90 degree at P, right? With the help of this ruler make an angle of 90 degree at point P. Let us make 90 degree, and you will get the required quadrilateral. Let us take this one. Let us take this one at point P. Right. Now draw this line. Right. Now you got the value, that is 90 degree. That angle P is equal to 90 degree here. Here you see, that is angle P. That angle P is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is N, and angle N will be automatically 85 degree. That will be automatically 85 degree, right? This is automatically 85 degree. 85 degree. This is the required quadrilateral. Again we are you see, this is, here you see, now we make this quadrilateral, required quadrilateral PLAN. Here PL is 4 centimeter, right? LA is 6.5 centimeter. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle A is 110 degree, and angle N is 85 degree, right? How you make? We are repeating. First of all, take this line LA 6.5 centimeter. First of all, draw a rough drawing of this quadrilateral. Rough draw, right? This is rough, right? After that, you take LA as 6.5 centimeter. With L at point L, make an angle of 75 degree, right? At point A, make an angle of 110 degree. And from this point L, make an arc of 4 centimeter and cut this one, right? We got the point P, right? And at the point P, make an angle of 90 degree, and you will this meet at the point N to get this point N. That means this is 90, this is 75 degree, this is 110 degree, and this is 85 degree, right? That means first of all, we have to find the value of angle L. That is how? Because we know that the sum of the quadrilateral is sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, we will subtract here, that is 360 minus 90 plus 110 degree plus 85 degree, that is 285 degree. Therefore, this angle is 75 degree, right? In this way, you have to make the quadrilateral, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.